Can I just get a quick show of hands from everyone? Who here has ever written or contributed to an academic paper? Yeah, I'm not surprised. I mean, we're literally in the center of like probably one of the most academically dense places in the world. And um, now, actually, can everyone who raise their hand again? And lower your hand if you'd be okay with what you're working on not being novel. Yeah, I thought so. And so what we offer here is Rip Your Paper, which um, because a challenge that we've realized and encountered ourselves is that oftentimes you uh, something that you thought was supposed to be novel or a research topic or thesis that you were going after turns out that there's already a paper out there, right? And it's not honestly not that hard to happen, right? Like we have 2.8 million papers being published, per year. And so we offer a tool, and very, very simple, based on archive. And if you want to just do a quick demo to show.
So essentially, you input a field of interest or your research field that you're working on, as well as a hypothesis you're considering testing. So I've thought so many times the thing I'm testing is first time anyone's ever thought of it, and it turns out that when I've completed all my work and look back, it's been done 100 times. So we enter the hypothesis that we are considering testing. Here we think that wine is beneficial for our health, apparently, because it's late. And so it's running and it is analyzing it and providing novel hypotheses as well as experiments that could be used to test these hypotheses and research papers where you could look and find more information about related hypotheses or relative information. So yes, very simple. It's fully Maestro. Um, yeah.
How did you get the URLs?
Oh, that is the bug we wanted to mention. So the one bug we did come across is that Maestro can't return URLs. So what we did is upload files and documents of relative sort of research areas. And then the file search tool is great, unlike the URL returning. And so we ended up using that.
Yeah, local internet. We also saw it.
I was gonna ask where you pulled the papers from. Did you just manually upload them yourselves?
Yes.
Yeah, so initially Maestro was used to kind of identify the papers because it can identify sort of errors, but it can't return the URLs to you automatically to then return to the user. And so it was kind of done in a two-hand workflow, but when that connects, it should work really well.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.